Welcome to the Godbrain Games Python class inheritance tutorial. My name is Wale, and I'll be the one showing you some class inheritance. An easy way to think of inheritance, or the way I think of it, is like a litter of Python eggs. Like all the siblings are gonna come out pretty similar, but they're gonna be but they'll be a little bit different, just like you and your brother and sister. Um, so let's get started. So our first class in Python just ended with I still haven't found the name. I think it's colon. Um, so it's for Python's naming technique for classes. It's here they use. I don't know if that would count. That's not really camel case, but we capitalize the first letter in each word. And so that's our beginning class, our initializing function. This is important because we get to this is where we take in all of our values that our functions are gonna grab from. So like our below here, tax doesn't use the item value, but still grabs the price value from our initialization. So it's important. And let me show you our output I could have started with, but our output is going to be just different things that customer would buy. So we have a pizza, how much it costs, and the tax rate, which is from you see in our tax function. I use the Florida state tax rate, but you could change it here and it'll change for every single function, every single class that you use it with, which is very useful in the future because Godbrain Games will definitely be serving multiple states. So to change the tax rate is very easy. So the three things that we're buying are a cheese pizza. With the tax, we're buying a honey Hawaiian pizza, adding some tax on that. And then lastly, we buy some dessert, which is a peanut butter chocolate lava brownie. And then add tax with that. I made sure to use the 99. Well, not 99. I use the 99 on the data entries because we see 99s a million times in the real world. So this is what I wanted to see what the Python system actually hits 99 with. You know what I mean? Like we see 99, but it takes in all of that, and that's important. Or it could be down the road for your business, but I still didn't want you leaving this tutorial without knowing that it was so big. All right, so for our inheritance, here's the first class we inherit with, and the process is super easy. Here we have a second class that we name with the first letter capitalized in each word, and this is a class we're inheriting from. It's our first meal class. So this second meal class, even with just by putting pass in there, it can do everything that the first meal class can do. And that's crazy. You know what I mean? Can you imagine not it's not copy and pasting, no copy and paste errors in the future, updating, done. You can do everything first meal class can do. And our final class for this tutorial, the dessert class, I just put pass in there as well after inheriting first meal again. And it can do everything our first meal does. Like it adds a tax too. I'm not trying to update. No one's trying to update each class individually unless you have to. You know what I mean? So it's nice not to. Okay, yeah, there we go. It's nice not to have to update every single thing for every single class every time you want to do it. So that's pretty cool. For our data entries, it's pretty simple too. You get to name your data entries, the class you want to go to, and then how you want to go in it. So cheese is what we're entering in the price. And it's pretty cool with that. It didn't care. You didn't have to mark it down as string or whatever. You didn't have to mark it as string or in like integer or a double type. You know what I mean? You don't have to name the type right here. I'm sure if you put it in a function and try to like add two, well, you can add two strings together, but I guess if you try to do something with a string, you could only do with the integer. Then the error would pop up. But entry wise, this is all you have to do as long as you get the right type. So item 1 desired, item 2, all of our, that's everything we ordered over here. So yeah, this is basically everything we're ordering: the first meal, second meal, and then our desserts and the price of what they all are. I put item desired before they get purchased because after it gets purchased, we have to catalog. I'm assuming you're going to catalog it all as something different. At least the purchase brownie and the non-purchase brownie is very different to a business. So we're going to respect that coding wise. And let's see. That's pretty much it. Our tax function is what we call to get the final output with the current tax rate, and that's just naming the input that we use, and then we send it to the function that we're going to use it as. So for our first item of tax and second item tax, all I have to do is just change. Like I could, let's see, that was the first one, so I'm gonna put item 2 tax here, and it shouldn't be an error. It'll just print out weird, right? See, now we have 2 of the same item taxes, so that's very convenient. It's $26.50 here, $26.50 here. Like, oh, so yeah, and so so along the same lines, to get an item back that you entered, like an item name, it's just the name of the entry and then the variable it got sent to. So our cheese pizza got sent to item name. Or our cheese got sent to item name. So to get it, we just do the data entry in item name. Item name. All right. And the last thing I want to show you is just you can change. It shouldn't be difficult. I'll laugh if this ruins the tutorial, but I'm just trying to put a have a good day message in only the dessert. So you'll see it's just it should pop up automatically in dessert. Let's find out. Oh, I guess there won't be a pass anymore. There'll still be that, but that should still be the same thing because of inheritance. We'll learn together. Yep. Have a good day. It should print out every single time. Well, it shouldn't print out every single time, but yeah. I wanted to print at the end. So what I really want to do was to say have a good day function, and I guess at this point, just to show you that I'm solid at this, I'm gonna name it goodbye. It should work, because you're gonna probably need a goodbye message on your coding. Let's see. So you can definitely end the tutorial if you're watching right now, because I was adding a goodbye message. All right. So it shouldn't run at all just because you won't need it. There you go. CR. It was have a good day in the beginning up top, but now that it's in a function, it's not there at all. But if I want to, for the second entry, I guess I could grab, yeah. But what did I send to the desserts? I sent this to the desserts. So since it's only in desserts, item 3 desired should be able to put a goodbye message, and none of the other functions have the capability to do it. So inheritance can keep your code really clean. Boom. Goodbye, and at the end of it, have a good day. Only in this one. I guess I should put it under to make it official, but I had to do it just so you could like and subscribe and come back for sure, because you saw me fix that. But thank you for watching, of course. And I don't know when the next tutorial is, but probably like in a week. There you go. Have a good day. Thank you.